Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for fire sign Leo, and this reading is from September 1st to September 10th, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is about your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. So let's see Leo, your person current feelings right now. Leo fire sign, Knight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. Wow, I don't know if card is popped here. Yeah, I think for some there is separation or some gap between both of you because your person is very heartbroken right now. For some, yeah, things are turning favor. They want to come towards you after the healing. I'm getting. So they already got healed. So that's why they want to come towards you. Wheel of Fortune, definitely they are thinking about you very positively. So let's clarify. Knight of Swords. Yeah, Eight of Cups, definitely there is some separation. Three of Swords and Eight of Cups. The Moon, yeah. Some communication issues, or the one person in this connection hides something from another person. That's why the separation is happened. Three of Cups, for some this could be third party situation also. So whatever is happening in your connection, definitely your person thinking about to come towards you. Knight of Swords, and they are thinking about you very positive. I think the walked away person and the third party situation. So who did wrong in this connection? I think it's you person. That's why they're feeling very guilty and they want to come towards you. I think one person hide something from the other person in this connection is you person, not you. That's why they want to come towards you. Right now they are thinking about you and they want to come towards you. So let's see their actions towards you. Chariot. Your person could be Cancer, Spicy, Scorpio, a lot of water energy. Yeah. Ten of Swords. And Justice, second chance. So let's clarify first the Chariot. Hangman. The Hermit. Knight of Pentacles. I think your person wants second chance and they want to come towards you. The Chariot, it is slow but coming, because it is very slow because Knight of Pentacles is also here, and they want second chance. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you and they want rebirth in this connection. They are spiritually awakening about this connection. The Hermit and the Hangman, they are stuck right now, but after they will come towards you. Knight of Pentacles, it is very slow energy, so you have to wait patiently. So let's see where your connection is headed. Three cards from the universe. Yeah, juggling. You both are juggling in this connection, or one person could be death. Yeah, your connection undergoes some transformation. It is a positive sign. Yeah, there is a lot of passion between both of you. And the Empress. I think you both are strong couple because the Empress and King of Wands. There is a lot of passion between both of you. Definitely your person undergoes your connection is changing now, because Wheel of Fortune is also here and Death also here. It is positive change. Definitely your person is coming for new beginning with you. It's up to you to give a chance your person or not, because there are some negative cards. This Eight of Cups, then some separation is also here. So it depending upon your situation, do you want to give second chance to your person or not? It's completely up to you. But your person is approaching you. Even if it is late, please be patient, because it is a slow moving energy, and your person also spiritually awakening. Hangman, they are right now stuck. So Leo, definitely they will communicate you and they will come towards you. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.